Hello everyone, this is Tolulope here and I'm a trainer at Your Business Limited. In today's video, we're going to talk about dependent drop-down lists. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Let's go to the video.
I'm sure we are familiar with the normal drop-down list we use with data validation, but in this video we'll go a step further by exploring dependent drop-down list. And you may ask, what exactly is dependent drop-down list? It just means that at each level, the options available are dependent on the previous drop-down or the parent drop-down. So enough of my talking, let me just explain what that means. Imagine I have this table here and I have this table that needs to be populated by this smaller table. This is our source for our drop down. So product category is a category, and then product category is like the child category that fits to the parent category, which is product category. Alright, so in this drop down I can choose either children. So I have fiction, non-fiction, children, educational and stationery. So in the subcategory, I want to have things that are under the children. So this is how the dependent drop-down list works. So I hope we understand. Alright, we'll just head right into it. This workbook will be made available for your practice. So I'll go to the first sheet and we'll do the work together. Alright, in this first sheet, we will start by creating the data validation list. We have to go to the data tab, then you hit data validation, and then you choose list, and then our source for the product category, our source is going to be all the categories, and then I hit OK. And then for the subcategory, our source is going to be anything that matches the product category. So to do that, we'll need a function called the XLOOKUP function. I'm sure we are familiar with it. It's very handy. So let me just show you how it works. So for example, in this product category, I choose any of the categories. So I choose educational, for example. This is how the XLOOKUP function works. Equal to XLOOKUP. The lookup value is whatever it finds here. The lookup array is where that value is located. And the return array is what matches wherever it says vocational. So just highlight the whole body, close my bracket and I hit enter. So you see educational, we have textbook, workbook and reference. So this is what we have. Instead of having this written out like this, we want it to be a drop down list. So we're going to insert this XLOOKUP formula in our drop down while creating our drop down. So I'll come to the portion I want the drop down to be affected, and I'll click on data validation list, and this is where I type in the formula. So XLOOKUP. Now the lookup value is what we have here. Now you make sure that this value is in relative reference. So I just press F4 3 times. Then the lookup array is wherever it is located, the array in which is located, and the return array is a table that you want to match. Then I just click on OK. So what happens now? The drop down has been created based on any value it finds here. So for educational, like I said, textbooks, workbook, reference. If I change it from educational to children, I have picture books, chapter books. So this is how to create dependent drop down list using data validation. But we'll go further in this video and I will show you how to do like 3 levels of dependencies. So we'll do that in the next page. In the next sheet. Alright, in this sheet, supposing we have done the first and second drop down list, but we have another table that speaks to the product subcategory and the revenue we're generating from each of these products. So we want to know how much each category is giving us. So to do this, we would need to also use XLOOKUP using data validation. Alright, I would go to data tab, then data validation, and I'll choose list for the validation criteria. Now, the source in this case is no longer going to be product category. Instead, this is going to a product subcategory is going to be our parents category. So we're going to use this smaller table right here. Okay, so I'm going to type in the formula equals XLOOKUP, and then the lookup value is the product subcategory value, which can be found in this list, and the return array is also this matching, whatever matches. So please don't forget to get rid of the dollar signs and make it relative, but others can be left to be fixed, and then click on OK. So with this, for picture books, we have this amount. So we just need to format this column and make sure that it is in the same format. So I just use currency. Right. For picture books, if we cross check, we see that it is 352,640. So that's what we have here. I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you. If you like more videos, please let me know in the comment section.